How's it going, Matu? You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
So first of all, where have you come from today?
I came from London.
Whereabouts in London?
Near Stanmore area. Yeah.
So is that north, south, east, west?
Northwest.
Northwest, okay, cool. And whose car is this then?
This is my uncle's car.
So it's your uncle's car?
Yeah.
And where's your uncle from?
Liverpool.
Liverpool.
Yeah.
So you've come from London all the way up towards Liverpool to pick up this car and bring it here for your uncle?
Yeah.
Fair play, fair play. Okay, cool. So without further ado, run me through what you want to do with this Range Rover then.
So we want to do the full exterior body kit.
Okay.
Yeah, and then the full interior retrim as well.
Right.
Go with it, and a starlight roof maybe.
Okay. We've decided on the bumpers already, so you want to go for the Sport Aero front bumper, front splitter, and the rear bumper with the quad exhaust. And the exhaust, you mentioned to me, you want them in gloss black.
Yeah, gloss black.
All right, cool, no worries. And at the moment, the car's fully blacked out, isn't it?
Yes.
So who picked the car? Was it you or your uncle?
Out.
You chose the car?
Yeah, I picked it out for him.
Okay.
So he doesn't get screwed over when we're buying it.
So you bought it from the dealership?
Yeah, from the dealership.
Which dealership was it?
Sheffield, yeah.
Sheffield?
Land Rover Sheffield.
Land Rover Sheffield. Okay, no worries, that's fine. Let's go through the interior then. So go on, Matu, show me what you want to do to the interior.
You showed me a few designs. I like the cinnamon design with the brown hexagon stitching with the black diamond stitching inserts.
Yep.
For the dashboard, we're going brown, and also the airbag, we're doing hexagon stitching on the dashboard, aren't we, as well?
Okay, so you like the hexagon style stitching and you want the colour to be cinnamon?
Yeah, cinnamon with a little black racing stripe down the middle.
Okay, racing stripe in the middle.
Yeah, and we're going for the Barugzai
shield, but you want it embossed
instead.
Okay, airbag, you want it to be matching as well?
Yeah, brown.
Okay, explain to me why cinnamon?
I'm not the owner of the car, as you know, but it's my uncle who owns the car. It's going matching with his Mercedes chauffeur van that he has.
Okay.
Yeah, so we just want it matching.
So the interior in the Vito van is also like a cinnamon brown colour?
Yeah, cinnamon brown.
Right.
There's also black on the exterior, so as well, and that's what he wants.
Oh, it's got soft closing doors.
Yeah.
So this is like a really high spec one you've bought for your uncle then, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it's like autobiography spec.
Check that out, quality. Really good there. So this is like a very high spec Range Rover that Matu has bought for his uncle. Go on, Matu, tell me what we want to do to the back of the car.
We're going to get the bumper redesigned with your body kit with the quad exhaust.
Yep.
And then we're also doing the roof spoiler as well.
Roof spoiler as well, the Barugzai rear roof spoiler.
Just to finish it all together so it ties in.
Yep. The Range Rover Electron, we're taking this off?
I think we'll keep it.
You want to keep it, yeah?
But you'll have your shield on here.
Okay, we'll put the Barugzai shield of approval there then.
Yeah.
That's fine. I think you missed one thing off.
What have I missed?
I think you missed one thing off, and I don't think Uncle will be happy. The side steps you mentioned to me.
Oh yeah, side steps as well.
Because the door moldings are already colour coded, we were going to do them originally, but you said leave them because already done, and we'll just do side steps instead.
Yeah.
So fixed side steps.
And we're also doing the door inserts as well, right?
Yes. So you said you want
that in cinnamon.
Yep.
And then that little bit in diamond stitching.
So you want diamond stitching there. So let's finalise the colour inside.
Yep.
And make sure Uncle's happy with it as well. So run everything through with Uncle. He's sat inside, but he doesn't want to be on camera.
Yep.
So we'll run everything through with him, finalise the colour, and then leave it with us.
Yep.
And then he's off on holiday, isn't he?
Yeah, he's off on holiday for like 3-4 weeks maybe.
3-4 weeks. So we've got the car for 3-4 weeks.
Yeah.
So I'll update you. So you're going to be managing this project on behalf of your uncle.
Yeah. Hopefully you send me some pictures over. Hopefully it's looking good. You should be blown away by it.
No, hopefully we will be able to achieve the outcome that you're after, both you and your uncle.
I've seen your work, it looks good on
so have you seen
social
media?
On social media, YouTube, Instagram.
No, it's good. Are we doing a ghost? Are we not? I can't remember.
I need to still discuss it with my uncle.
Okay,
see how it goes.
That's fine. The ghost alarm is like a must nowadays with Range Rovers.
I know it gets stolen and keyless entry.
Yep, very, it's a big problem that Range Rover got at the moment, where the cars are getting stolen because of the keyless entry system. And because of that, they've dropped in value.
Yeah, they depreciate a lot.
Yes, and the insurance premiums, you can't even get insured on them anymore. So we'll mention that to your uncle as well. And we'll go inside and we'll finalise the colour then.
Yeah, we'll discuss some colours. Bloody hell, it's like I'm becoming a movie star.
So decide on the colour now. These are the swatches. Just confirm which specific shade of cinnamon you want.
So there's a few browns over here. I think this one looks kind of red, brownish.
Yeah, that's a bit too dark. Yeah.
I'm younger, so I'll go for like a red or like Tiffany blue or like the Hermes orange.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. So why don't we do something like red, Tiffany blue, or Hermes orange?
But at the end of the day, I'm not paying the bill. So we have to go with what the finance manager's saying.
It's alright, go for orange.
Oh, are you sure? The finance manager is sat in that chair right now, but he's not going to be on camera. So he'll remain as a mystery guest if you want.
Go for orange.
Are you sure? 100%? Because off camera, he said, let's do cinnamon brown.
He wants to go for that classy cinnamon look.
Well, now he's suddenly switched it up. So go on, Matthew, I'll let you speak with your uncle.
Yeah, because I don't want him to be like down the air, like, that's too bright now.
Yeah.
Yes. You know how Asians are.
So I'll let you discuss with him then.
Yeah.
Decide what colour you want.
Yep.
Because at the moment, you've still got time. You're going to go on a holiday.
Yeah.
We need to finalise the interior within a week. And then in that time, it'll get manufactured. And then we're going to do the installation.
Yep.
So we just need to decide within a week what colour you want. So at the moment, there's no pressure.
Yep.
Take your time. While where is he jetting off to?
He's jetting off to Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka, okay, back home. And he can be relaxing on the beach in Sri Lanka while he picks his colour. And then just drop me a call.
He's going to be giving me the headache.
So decide on the colour, and then from there, I'll get the pattern made and everything ordered. Let's check out the inside of this car. Wow, as you can see, it's fully stripped out to the bare bones. There's no seats, no door cards, no center console armrest, no dash. It's fully stripped out. And how are they going to move this car? So we're just waiting for the interior technician to bring the new upholstered leather and get it all fitted back into the car, and then the car should hopefully be ready for the customer to collect on Thursday. He did mention to me that he needs it ready for his uncle's birthday, so hopefully, all being well, it should be ready for collection. And we just got to make sure everything's fitted back to how it should be, because there's a lot of wires everywhere, all these trims. So hopefully the interior technician doesn't miss anything out. Not that they do anyway, but it's just a big responsibility with these conversions. And now you know, this is like a behind the scenes as to the extent of what you have to strip out in a Range Rover to change the interior. So a lot of customers say, oh, it's only an interior you're changing, oh, it's only some new leathers. But if you have a look inside here, this is the extent as to what you have to take out in order to change an interior. This is Madchan and his uncle's Range Rover Sport. The technicians have finished the car from their side. So they fitted the bumpers, the spoiler, the side steps and the body kit. So now it's over to the interior technician. Right guys, just got off the phone with Madchan and his uncle. They're currently en route on the motorway, heading down to pick up the Range Rover. It's all complete. We fitted the interior, the body kit, everything's all done and complete. I've just checked the vehicle and now they're on the motorway and they should be here shortly. So we've also just customized a BMW X5 LCI model. So that's the new BMW facelift model, and previously it was the Geo 5 model which came out in 2018-2019. So now we also provide a supply and fit service for the LCI X5 models. So we've fitted a new front splitter. It's got a different design to the previous model. So it's like a two-piece canard front splitter. We've also fitted some side skirts on there. They're slightly different in design as well. And moving around the back of the car, we've fitted a rear roof spoiler. It's a more of an aggressive roof spoiler. We've also fitted the rear lip diffuser. So that's the X5, and if you've got an X5 and you'd like to book it in, give us a call and we'll be more than willing to accommodate you and get you booked in. Right guys, my chance turned up with his uncle, but as always, we're always in a rush in terms of the reveal because the customer always wants to hit the motorway and get back. So with them, they need to shoot off to Liverpool, and right now it's, what's the time? The time is 3:15 and they need to be hitting the motorway. It's almost going to be rush hour traffic and they want to get there before the 5 o'clock rush hour. So they're here, then they just want to shoot off. So we're going to have to do a quick reveal. So without further ado, let's take the car outside and show them the car. Right, Marchan, how's it going?
It's going well.
Long time?
Yeah, a long time. It's been a lot of headaches since.
A lot of headache, a lot of stressful phone calls.
Yeah.
Every day. How are we getting on? The interior was a very long project.
Yeah.
But we got there finally in the end.
Because there was a lot of changes midway through.
Yep, and you know what? It was worth the changes and it was worth the phone calls because that interior, that was all you. That was all you, and your uncle should appreciate.
I got grey hairs already.
Should appreciate all that stress and all the research you've been doing to make sure that the car looks tip top like this. So without further ado, let's show you what we've done to the Range Rover because I know you're in a hurry. I need to shoot off. So we fitted the Sport Aero front bumper with the daytime running lights, the front splitter in gloss black, the side steps. Coming around the back of the car.
Like the spoiler, literally, like it makes it fully.
Yeah, rear roof spoiler.
Yeah. Looks way better without the badges as well. Yep.
Rear bumper with the quad exhaust in gloss black.
So muddied out.
Blacked out, fully blacked out. The number plate. 4D matte shadow number plate. You chose that?
Yeah, I chose that one because it stands out more compared to the normal 4D plate.
The shield. You chose where you wanted that as well.
It gives it more of the SVR look.
Yep. On the right side.
Yeah.
Will he let you drive it?
Probably not.
Have you driven it yet?
I haven't driven it since he got it. I've moved it back and forth, that's it. I wouldn't class it as driving it.
Go on, hop into the driver's seat then.
Nah, but the steering wheel, flipping hell. This thing's tight, but the steering wheel is nice.
You can put the seat back if you want. That is fully to the front. Let me check. Unless it's the furthest it goes back.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Big lad, aren't you?
Flipping hell, this car's tiny. I might need to start driving a bus or something. But so the dashboard is nice. Like,
this is what you were saying. You wanted the stitching. You didn't want this to be plain.
Yeah, I didn't want it to look plain because we were going all out on the interior, the seats. And it just looked a bit plain when you just leave that.
So you wanted the stitching on there, the stitching on here.
And it's a nice touch, this, because I think you said it was too much, but I think it's the nice touch going with it.
It's beautiful, trust me. That combo you've gone for is very nice. The black, so it all ties in well. What else is that? These armrests.
Yeah, the armrests.
Good choice. I think I'm going to start doing that going forward with the customers.
And even the center seat in black.
Look at that.
Once you put it down and like the cup holders there, It's gonna look
Beautiful.
like captain seat to the back.
Trust me. Really nice. You've done your research.
Yeah.
You've done your homework. I'm telling you, it's probably one of the best ones that we've done.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. I was skeptical on that seat.
Yeah.
Because you were saying, let's do it black. I was thinking it might be overkill, but it's beautiful.
The reason I went for it was because of the seat belts. They're in black and it just like
Yeah,
sort of
yeah,
stands
yeah,
out. and,
yeah,
like,
yeah, yeah.
It puts it off a little bit.
Also, when I put this center console down, when you put the center console down,
Yeah.
it's also black from the back as well. All ties in.
And I think we plan on having iPads over here as well.
Okay,
So like,
nice.
so it'll look like nice, and then once that's down, it will just like blend in. Or
Alcantara roof lining as
Yeah.
well. Black roof lining, black and tan leather. 10 out of 10 from you, I'm telling you.
I think the wheel just like finished it off, like with the steering wheel.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's beautiful, that combo that you've gone for. Because it's not overkill. Black here, black here.
Yeah.
You got the black running across here as well.
Wasn't the steering wheel brown?
I spoke to Nav about that.
Yeah.
But and we spoke to Paul, the interior guy.
Yeah.
And he said it's going to be too much.
I don't know, because you wanted brown as well. That's what I'm thinking.
But we've spoke to him. We spoke to Nav. We spoke to the interior guy. I was going to mention this to you off camera as well. But you know what it is? I'll show you. This is what we're speaking to Paul about. You got black racing stripe here.
Yeah.
You got black here. You got black there.
Yeah.
You got black on the door cards. And this dash is all tan.
Yeah.
But Paul was saying there's literally, what is the tan going to be complementing with?
That's true.
Nothing. And that we were speaking about. We had a good chat. And it's a no-brainer. That's one thing that we've added our touch there.
Yeah, that's true.
Nothing.
It ties in with like the strip and the seat and everything.
Yes, because it needs to be flowing.
But I can't lie, the little diagonal stitch.
This you smashed it with that.
Yeah.
Because I was skeptical.
Yeah.
But you actually
Because you were
smashed
like, the seats is gonna look too much with the seats and everything.
it. Yeah, but it's tied in beautifully. Them,
Yeah, those. Because I think if we did tan there as well, would have like
too much overkill.
Too much, yeah.
We have to split it up, and
Yeah.
that you found the sweet spot.
Yeah.
Especially with that seat in the
the
middle.
middle seat. And I think the embossed logo looks nice as well. Because
Yeah.
I think mainly you do the stitched one, isn't
Yeah,
it?
yeah.
Yeah, the embossed one like fits in nicely. Because the stitched one is like the yellow stitching as well.
Trust
Yeah.
me, Uncle better appreciate the stress
Yeah.
and what's going into this. When you were phoning me up every day, saying, oh, I want to add this, I want to change that, add this, change
Yeah.
that. I was thinking, we're getting carried away here, but nailed it. And going forward, I'll probably be sending videos of this interior. Than
Yeah,
the
you'll
ones that I
probably
know.
use it for your customers now.
Well, he smashed it with that.
I think you did a solid job,
I
man.
appreciate. But credit to you there,
Yeah.
because Uncle needs to appreciate the endless phone calls.
Yeah, pretty much.
After our phone calls. All the best.
Right.
Nice to meet
Hopefully
you.
I don't get shot on the way back from my uncle for the bill.
Nah, you smashed it,
But you
brother.
guys did a good deal for us, and
Nah,
then
thank
chucked
you.
steering and wheel in for a good price as well.
Nah, I appreciate it. So now I've sorted out the steering wheel for you.
Yeah,
He managed to upsell you a steering wheel when you're here collecting the car.
yeah. But it was worth it though. It
100%.
finishes off nicely.
Yeah, especially when you got everything in the interior.
Yeah.
That was just a missing piece.
Yeah.
But no, I'm glad you like it. Uncle's not even seen it yet, has he?
No, he hasn't seen it either.
Go on, we'll let Uncle see it off camera.
Yeah.
And then hopefully that's a wrap, guys. And that's Madchan there. He's come all the way from London, and his uncle's from Liverpool. So he's trekked up from London to meet him in Liverpool and bring the car here. So this is the
I
manager.
sorted everything out.
This is the project manager of the task. And then you got Uncle there, the money man. Look at
Exactly.
him. Look at him there. Right, guys, so that was Madchan there with his uncle. And they've just got this Range Rover Sport customized. So if you've got a Range Rover out there and you'd like to get it looking monstrous like this one, give us a call and we'll be more than willing to accommodate you. Also, let us know what you think of this Range Rover in the comments. So like, comment, share and subscribe, and on to the next one.